Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Turtle Beach Atlas Air to the application. You have to start by open settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and after that press and hold power button. Now make sure that this light is blinking blue, because if it's blinking green, you should just press this button to switch modes to Bluetooth mode. And now click on your device. Also, if you can see these headphones at the device list, just press and hold Bluetooth button, and right now it entered to prank mode 100%. So just click on it and now hide the settings. Open the application and click Get Connected. Now I have read it, continue, later, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!